Hey, what's going on, geologists? This is Mr. Morrow here to provide you with some instructions on how to upload your final presentation to the slides that are the building blocks of your work here for the to build or not to build project. So, as you can see, we've kind of traveled through each of these slides, and we've gone on this journey together, and we know that the journey is to determine whether or not Iceland, coastal Alaska, or Brazil is our best bet for the next Eagles stadium. We've done the research, we've done the work, we've used our handy organizational tools, and we've gathered research. We've populated or filled in these boxes, and then based on that, we've made a claim, we've listed our evidence, and then we've made our reasoning. Afterwards, we all know that it is time for us to present that information. And so what we're going to do is give you the choice of what to present it with, or how to present it. Now, remembering that creativity counts and that the more exciting you are, the more interesting it'll be to watch, I want to just walk you through how to make that available for your teachers to see and grade. So on the final slide here, slide 16, you'll see, insert the link to your presentation here. I just want to walk you through how that is done. So, for example, I'm going to use Flipgrid as an example, but you don't have to use Flipgrid for your project. This is just an example of how to put a hyperlink into this spot here. So, for example, we're going to go to Geology Final Assessment, which is actually the place that if you chose Flipgrid, that's where it would be located. Looks like you would, there's no place for me to record something here, so let's see if this is something that I can do. Okay, Stadium Project. All right, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to get out of this, and we're going to do this. Boop. I'm going to go to Shorts, and I'm just going to give you an example of how to upload a video to that. So we're going to start a short, and I'm going to record, and let's see here. There we go. Hey everyone, this is Mr. Morrow giving you instructions on how to upload your link to the presentation. We're going to go next. Hey everyone, this is Mr. Morrow giving you instructions. Next. Now, what I want you to pay attention to is anytime you're uploading something from YouTube or, oh, that's a horrible picture there, anything from YouTube or Flipgrid, when you confirm, there's going to be an option to copy the link. And so that link is right here. See? So these programs make it very easy for you to do that. Okay, so you're going to copy this link. Then you're going to come over to this slideshow, and you're going to insert a link. Now, up in the talk section here, you can say, you can label it. So you'd say, Mr. Morrow's presentation, or enable it, anything you want. And here is where you would put that link. You're just going to paste it right there. Boop. And then when you're done, you hit apply, and there we are. And when I click on that, that is how to create a hyperlink. Obviously, Mrs. Burnt and I will be available to answer any questions you have or any. I'm going to move that around. Oop, there we go. Let's see. Here we go. Watch this. Well, I'm not going to mess with that now. But obviously, Mrs. Burnt and I have any answers that you may need about finagling this. Remember, creativity counts. And we'll be working on this on Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. So we will see you then. Thanks, everyone.